Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create realistic reflected surface shine using color dodge in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import the product onto a clean canvas, leaving enough space around it. I duplicate the product layer and switch the duplicate's blend mode to color dodge, instantly brightening edges. I reduce opacity carefully so highlights feel realistic. I add a black mask and hide all glow. Using a soft brush at low opacity, I paint light on reflective surfaces and corners where natural reflections occur. I move slowly, checking each stroke to avoid unnatural shine. Next, I blur the color dodge layers slightly to smooth transitions and enhance realism.